Today we will focus on past participle adjectives versus present participle adjectives. So let's take a look at a couple example sentences. First off, whoa, okay, so this is a math equation, and this math is confusing for sure. This is a woman looking at the math equation, and she is confused. So let's take a closer look at these two sentences. The first one, this math is confusing, and she is confused. So these two words are almost the same, but there's a big difference between them. And that is, as you have probably noticed, is with their endings. One ends in ing and the other ends in ed. So why are these two sentences so different? Well, if we have an ing adjective, that is also called a present participle adjective. And in these sentences, the subject causes the feeling. Okay, so in our example, we had this math is confusing. So in that case, the math itself caused the feeling of confusing. In our second sentence, we had an ed adjective, confused. In these sentences, the subject receives the feeling. In this case, the woman was confused. So she received the feeling. She was confused. So again, ing adjectives are present participle adjectives. In these sentences, the subject causes the feeling. In ed adjective sentences or past participle adjective sentences, the subject receives the feeling. Okay, let's take a look at some more examples. Here we have a clown. For many people, this is true. The clown is amusing. And here we have a child. The child is amused. So again, the clown causes the feeling. The child receives the feeling. But some people are not amused by clowns. For some people, they feel frightened. So she is frightened. And in this case, what sentence will go in here? That's right. The clown is frightening. So the clown causes this feeling. So maybe for some people, a clown is not frightening, but this person is definitely frightening. Okay, two more quick examples. She is bored. Shakespeare is boring. Okay, I completely disagree with this second sentence. I do not think Shakespeare is boring, but some people do. Okay, now you try. Write two sentences for each of the following pictures. So here's sentence number one. Okay, so remember, in one sentence, the subject causes the feeling, and in the second sentence, the subject receives the feeling. Okay, and remember, your subject does not have to be a person. For example, in this situation, the subject could be the situation itself, what is happening in the picture. Okay. Here's sentence number two. Try to write two sentences for this paragraph. Again, one with ing adjective, one with an ed adjective. Okay. Here is sentence number three, with a picture for sentence number three. And so again, you can have the subject as a person, or maybe the activity itself. Here's 4. Remember, one sentence with ing, one sentence with ed. Okay, you might have to get a little creative with this one, but try it out. Here's sentence 5. 2 sentences for number 5, please. And here's our last one, number 6. Okay, so please write 2 sentences here. Okay, that is all for present participle adjectives versus past participle adjectives. Please write your sentences down, and I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow. Thanks. Bye-bye.